Hi, I'm Sue Anglin with Avondale Fire-Medical. Today, I'd like to talk with you about installing smoke alarms in your home. Placement. Place one smoke alarm in each bedroom and in the hallway. Place smoke alarms on each level of your home. Smoke alarms should be placed on the ceiling or as high up on the wall as possible. Installation. Using the enclosed hardware, install the base to the ceiling or the wall. Then, attach the smoke alarm to the base. Test your unit. Test the unit by pressing the test button once. Smoke alarms need to be tested each month, and the smoke alarms have to be replaced every 10 years. Thanks for watching. Be safe.